Life of the people. The Ganga Brahmaputra basin is one of the world's most important agricultural region, as this area is made up of fertile alluvium soil. Fertile alluvium, flat plains, and climate support the cultivation of rice, jute, wheat, maize, millets, sugarcane, tea, oilseeds, and pulses. The yield per acre, yield means production per acre, are among the highest in the world. Also, the production of agriculture is highest in the world. Tea plantations are common in West Bengal and Assam. Darjeeling and Assam tea are famous all over the world. Intensive agriculture is practiced in this region. Meaning of intensive agriculture means the high production of agriculture in any area. Wherever the rainfall is insufficient, where the rainfall is very less, in such area a well-developed irrigation system consisting of canals and wells has been developed in order to ensure the availability of the water. So where the rainfall is low, in such area canals and wells are used for irrigation. Intensive use of both organic and chemical fertilizers is made to sustain soil fertility. For the soil fertility, farmers use organic and chemical fertilizers. A kharif or summer crop and a rabi or winter crop are produced annually. In Ganga Brahmaputra basin, two types of crops are grown. Kharif crops, which are also known as summer crops, and rabi crops. Rabi means winter crops. Wherever possible, a third crop is grown between the two, especially in the deltaic tract. Northern plains have extremely fertile soil. The Bhabar is the soil of highest tract. Below it is Bhangar or the old alluvium, while in the lower valley it is Khadar or new alluvium. There are two types of alluvial soil, Bhangar and Khadar. Bhangar is the old and Khadar is the new, which is renewed annually by the rivers. Khadar is renewed annually by the rivers as it lies in the lower valley. Alongside the cultivation of crops, most farmers raise animals for their meat and milk. Poultry, goats, pigs, and cattle are common, and cattle are also used as draught animals. Draught means the animals which are used in field. Fishing on a commercial scale is practiced to meet the demands of local and for nearby towns and cities. Based on agricultural produce, several agro-based industries such as textiles, sugar, edible oil, etc. have also developed in region. Cottage and small-scale industry have developed in rural areas. So these are some of the activities which are done by the people. First is the agriculture, second is animal husbandry, third is fishing, fourth is cotton and small scale industry, automobiles, engineering, chemical fertilizers, electronic, oil refineries, and numerous other small and medium scale industrial units provide employment to millions inhabiting the region. In the upper Brahmaputra valley, petroleum deposits have encouraged the development of refineries and petrochemical factories. In Ganga Brahmaputra basin, there are many towns and cities with well-developed roads and railways. The density of population in this region is among the highest in the world. There are two important ports which handle international trade and commerce. These two ports are Kolkata and Chittagong. Due to flat topography, there is good network of road and railways. Rivers and the tributaries also serve as a significant inland waterways, and airport also abound in towns and cities. So these are the activities which are done by the people living in Ganga Brahmaputra basin. First is the agriculture, second is domestication of animals, third is fishing, fourth is cottage and small scale industry. In the upper region, pupils are engaged in refineries and petrochemical factories. Pupils are also engaged in tertiary activity, trade and commerce.